Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is 23-year-old diva pushes her luck with no-nonsense cops and instantly meets karma.
On November 1st, 2025, officers responded to a bar for a call of a customer being disorderly.
JC Randall, 2002. I just turned 23.
Who'd you come down with? These people are. I know that you're your
I
new
just
friends.
got here by myself.
Okay.
When I was sober.
How are you going to get home tonight?
I was gonna call them, but they were gonna take me home, or I was gonna just like wherever they.
That's fine. It's St. John's.
Well, these people said they found you kind of like laying in the grass, and they were just a little worried.
By the 2729 number of Florida.
No, I was with them the entire time, and I was not laying in the grass.
Trying to get you in trouble or anything. We just want to make sure you're safe.
Who the fuck said anything?
Somebody said they saw you in the grass, and they saw these people helping
saw
you.
me in the grass. I'm drunk. I'm gonna admit
That's all we're worried about.
At the same time, I'm not gonna drive home. Like, I appreciate that. I've seen this motherfucker. No, I don't mean that. I'm sorry. I've seen him before.
All right. So, do you have friends that you can call and get a hold of?
No, but I can sit out here and wait. I don't care. Like, I'm not trying to cause any drama, bro. Like,
Listen, we're not either. We're not either.
They're not in trouble. They're just trying to figure out how to get you home. They just want to get us safe. I don't care. I can just sit in my car.
No, you can't. You can't do that.
I promise I won't drive.
You can't do that.
I don't care. I won't do anything. Like, I've been pulled over like 7 times by St. John's County and saying I can see cops. Like, I am not gonna drive. I don't give a like, I am not gonna drive.
What if you get an Uber home?
I can't get an Uber home.
Why
I
not?
am broke. I have $2 to my name, bitch. Like,
Why are you out here drinking on a Halloween night with
because
$2?
I've had niggas buying me drinks. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't give a. All of our stuff's in your purse.
You're gonna have to phone a friend.
I don't give a fuck. I will sit in the parking lot.
Listen, you're not gonna do that. Listen, we've now gotten involved. So
To do what?
do
what?
To put you in the drunk tank or get you a safe ride home. If you can't safely get home, we're gonna put you in the drunk tank.
Drunk tank for what?
Being
what
drunk.
did I done wrong?
You're drunk.
I have not done. I'm drunk on public property.
Yeah, you're drunk in public. Yep. We're getting there.
Yeah, you said it.
That has nothing to do with anything. I'm not calling it a disturbance. I'm not doing anything. I'm just standing here.
They flagged us down because
you guys can go up. That is that White Lion and No Name and all of that shit. Bourbon Street and everything. You guys. You know what? You and Ice and Donald Trump. Fuck you. Fuck you guys. Get the fuck out of me, because I swear to God, I will ask for your sheriff, and I know that will side with me. I swear to God, get the away from me.
Take her.
You ain't taking me. No.
You hurt yourself.
I didn't do anything.
She don't even know the difference between a sheriff and a police officer. That shit is crazy. She said, I will call your sheriff. What she said? I will have your sheriff and he will side with me. Do they look like sheriffs to you?
I'm filming myself. Leave me, please. I'm gonna do you.
I know.
You
Just to hang on.
Is that hers?
It's my babe.
Let
Just
go of
let no. Just let me have my babe.
Let go of it.
Please.
Quit trying to kick me.
As long as you guys.
Is that her jacket?
No, it's
I don't give a fuck.
Look, her
Fuck
stuff is
you
over.
guys. I didn't do anything. Can you please loosen up the. My Gucci's out, please. Someone block me. Block me. Block me. Just block me so my fucking pussy's not out. Please. Wait.
You're the one
wait.
that did this, not us.
No, you guys are. I didn't do shit. I'm gonna guys up. I didn't do shit. Goddamn it. Oh, shit. You got I got to think fuck you.
Come on, step up in there.
I can't use my hand.
Step up in there.
Hold on, Jimmy. I have anxiety. Wait, don't push me.
You can't make this shit up. The last video we talked about, I said, yo, these kids that's been born in the 2000s, it's over like 2000 and up, these kids is Charmin. I'm telling you, Charmin. If you don't get it, do your research on Charmin. Soft, extra soft. I have anxiety. I'm like, these kids is Charmin. Like, she was born what? She's 23 and this was in 2025. So she was born in what, 2002? Charmin. I'm telling you.
I will. Can you give me a second to breathe?
I got anxiety.
Right now to pull you in.
I was just trying to. I'm fine. I got it. Why are you doing this? Did you?
Yes.
What did I do wrong?
You resisted.
Tell me what I did wrong.
Resisting.
What?
Resisting arrest.
Resisting arrest from what? I didn't do anything wrong. You were gonna sit here and tell me record that shit. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do anything wrong.
It's all recorded.
I did nothing! My parents will fight you in this shit because I didn't do anything wrong! I did nothing wrong! What did I do wrong? Tell me!
We're gonna take
What
you.
did I do wrong?
We told you need to get a ride, or else you're gonna go drunk take, and then we're gonna take you to drunk take, and you ran from us,
Tell me, what did I do wrong?
and then you tried to kick the sergeant. So that was nice of you.
I didn't do no! Fuck you! I did not try to do that! Fuck you! You're lying! You are lying!
It's all on body camera, so don't worry.
I want to go into the military. You're sitting there trying to tell me that I tried to treat somebody like that. I love everybody. I go to festivals.
You literally just called this. You called us a piece of shit 5 seconds ago.
In this world, I love everybody.
Apparently not us.
Everybody, you treat me wrong.
We didn't treat you wrong. We're literally gonna try and get you a ride home.
Never. I would never.
The woman was charged with disorderly conduct and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching.
Charmin. That's all I gotta say, man. These kids is Charmin, man. Talking about you want to go in the military. You're weak-minded. You can't go in no military. What's wrong with you? You can't handle you. No. Too weak. You're weak. Charmin. That's it. Say it with me now. Charmin. Extra soft.